Hi friends, step into channel once again. This is your Santosh from Square Maths YouTube channel. Those who did not gone through the previous videos, please go through it. Total 27 videos completed. Now 28th video. So we should go through here. Sin 3x plus cos 3x is this one. So we have to prove the result related to sin 3x and cos 3x. If we add, what we are going to get. So let us consider here, this is a formula already we have done. So we know very well. So that you substitute. And if you observe carefully, if I take 3 as common, so sin x minus cos x. Okay. And here from this I can take plus 4 as common, so that cos cube x minus sin cube x. Now this takes the form of a cube minus b cube. So this is fixed always here, 3 times of sin x minus cos x plus 4 into. So I am writing here, I am going to apply a cube minus b cube. So nothing but here a minus b cos x minus sin x into a square plus b square plus ab. So nothing but cos square x plus sin square x plus cos x into sin x. Okay. So just I have been applied a cube minus b cube. So a minus b of this one. So now here 3 times of sin x minus cos x. Here I am going to do two operations, two things here. Since I have here sin x minus cos x, here cos x minus sin x, to take as common in the next step, I am changing the sign. At the same time, sin square x plus cos square x is what? 1. So now here minus 4 of, I can write here sin x minus cos x into this one is 1 plus cos x into sin x. In the next step, directly I can take as common here sin x minus cos x, if I take common, so that I can write here 3 into 1 minus 4 into 1, okay, this one here, and here I am writing in the floor bracket, because bracket plays very important role here, 3 into 1 minus 4 into 1, and the leftover part is here 1 plus cos x into sin x, closing the floor bracket. Next, I am writing here sin x minus cos x, 3 into 1 is 3 minus, I am multiplying here with 4, minus 4, so minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, and here it is minus into plus minus 4 cos x sin x. If you observe carefully, first 3 to 4 steps are substitution, and here it is applying the trigonometric identity and taking as common. So to get result, some more steps we have to do. So nothing but here sin x minus cos x into 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and minus 4 cos x into sin x. And here we have here sin x minus cos x, but our result is cos x minus sin x, and here it is plus 1 minus 1, here it is plus 4 minus 4. If you observe carefully, if I take minus as common, everything will be fine. So nothing but here, this part I am writing the important part of the problem. Nothing but here cos x minus sin x, because I have taken minus common, so that I will write here minus of, and the leftover again minus common, I can write here 1 plus 4 cos x into sin x. In the next step, minus into minus plus, nothing but finally I am going to get here cos x minus sin x into, here 1 plus 4 cos x into sin x. So this is our result if you observe carefully. Okay. So nothing new here, just you have to apply the formula what you have written here, sin 3x and cos 3x. Next, taking 3 as common and applying aq minus bq formula, and here applying sin square theta plus cos square theta. So like this, and these are the very basic steps for the 8th students level, and finally getting the result. So this is a proof which is connected to our sin 3x and cos 3x, the sum, their sum, applying this formula. So this may play as an important role for intermediate students and MSET, sometimes JEE main students. Once you have the total look, and any doubts you can place in the comment box. Hope you like this video. Go through carefully and have a nice day. See you in the next video session. Bye.